Hello, my dear viewers and my dear student. You can see what is it? These are mirror images of each other. Yes, today we will discuss what do you mean by mirror image concept. We will discuss that in detail. How structure they show the different property, but their chemical formula is same. You can see there are two structure. If I put mirror in between them, they show the same atom and each and everything is same. Fine. Before moving further, please to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Okay, now you can see what is it. It is a mirror. Fine. We will discuss this concept in detail. So we'll start with the initial step. Okay, what is this? Anyone tell? And if you have any doubt for these type of structure, please to mention in the comment box. Okay, what is it? It is chloromethane. You can see I have made two structure of chloromethane. In the center there is carbon. The carbon is attached to different hydrogen, 3 hydrogen at the bottom, and on the top of it that is attached to chlorine. On to right hand that is chloromethane, and on to left hand it is a chloromethane. If we see the structure, they are same. Fine. Now I have put the mirror here, and you can see earlier structure that look like same as the previous one. लाइक अगर मैं ये मिरर को रखूँगी तो ये स्ट्रक्चर सेम नज़र आ रहे हैं ना. अब मैं ये मिरर को उठाऊँगी, इसकी जगह पे दूसरा स्ट्रक्चर रखूँगी, तो वो ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्या हो गया? दे बोथ आर मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ ईच अदर. कि इसका मतलब क्या है? जैसे मैं आप अपने आप को देख रहे हो, लाइक वी लुक ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर, but when we see the mirror, now you can see when we see the mirror images, they look same. They look as we see the thing through the mirror. Fine. That is the concept of mirror images. This is the chlorine. This carbon is attached to the chlorine, or we can consider this ball as any halogen. Fine. Now I attach carbon to the 3 hydrogen and the chlorine. This is all about the mirror images concept.